Hi everyone. Today I am going to solve this gold color mirror cube. Already I have made a video silver color mirror cube which is there in a Telugu language. So here first of all I am going to shuffle it. After shuffling that I would like to solve by using the 3x3 formulas. Already I have displayed all these 3x3 formulas upon the screen. Let us start. Now first of all what we have to do, you know very well, you should know the notations. So here total 7 stages are there, 7 steps. So first step we have to make it a place. So here I am making place. So after making the place we have to proceed. So here I will show you how to make this place. See here we don't have any formulas. Practice makes man perfect. First of all we have to practice a lot, then only we'll get the place. So here we got the place. In this place you should remember that smaller one always opposite to the larger one and remaining two side by side. So in this manner we are going to get place. So this is the place. Okay, smaller one opposite to the larger one. Then next you know very well the larger piece we have to close it and we have to check in clockwise direction. Okay, when the pieces are there in clockwise direction, smaller one, then again a little bit bigger, then again bigger. So the piece which is bigger than all the pieces, that should be opposite to the smaller one, that we have to close it, we should not consider. So after doing that we have to cover one side, we have to solve total one side, like white. So here to solve white we have formulas. Actually no need of any formulas, you know very well. If it is there right side, send it to the left side and make it right side down. If and next take that down back, then whatever we did right down, that we should make it up. If it is the left side, send it to the right side, make that left down. Then what we should do, we have to bring back whatever we sent to the right side, that you take it to the back. Then whatever we did left down, that we should make it up. So in this manner we have to solve, we will get the first layer. After that we have to arrange middle pieces. Okay, so here I am going to finish this white layer, I mean bigger pieces whatever there, that we have to solve. It is similar to the 3x3 cube only. So instead of that colors, here we have pieces, small piece, large piece. So in this manner different pieces are there. So here both the formulas are there. These formulas are written by me. If you want, you can download directly 13 pages PDF, color PDF from the Google. Type there 3x3 PDF download. You will get the PDF, download it and solve it. Okay, that 13 pages I have written into the 2 pages, 7 formulas. After the third step we have to solve fourth step. Here either we will get the dot in the middle or yellow or horizontal line. If you get horizontal line, we have to use the formula face right, up, right inverse, upper inverse, face inverse. If you get dot or L shape, we have to use the formula face, up, right, upper inverse, right inverse, face inverse. Okay, then we have to check for the yellow place. So after getting the yellow place, we have to use the formula right, up, right inverse, up, right, upper, right inverse. Then we have to use corner formula, then last edges formula, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Overall, if you know 3x3 cube how to solve it, you can solve it easily. If you don't know, I'll post a link in the description and comment section. You go through the video, and after seeing that video, after solving 3x3, you can solve mirror cube easily. Okay, so I will post the link in description and comment section also. All the best. In this manner you have to solve.